things we're able to do with technology allows for a much more efficient practice, which leads to a much more pleasant visit for our patients. Hi, my name is Dr. Lawrence Fung, and I am the owner of Silicon Beach Dental, and we are located in West Los Angeles. Having a startup practice in this area with a lot of competition has really forced us to kind of think outside the box and really look at ways to find ourselves to be more competitive without decreasing any type of quality for our patients, also maintaining a fair rate for our patients. Yeah, technology itself for our practice is not really meant for the wow factor. It's really helped to really just make things more efficient for us, and that allows us to provide a lot better care for our patients. With Smile Design, we're outsourcing the designs, and what's nice is you can view it, on your computer, or you can view it on a tablet, or it's easy. Like for us, we view it on our phones, and it's easy to just show your phone to the patient, and you're able to manipulate those smile designs in 3D, and that's a really helpful tool for patients to understand what changes you want to have for them, where they can go. We get these wax ups back within a day or two, compared to the traditional week. And so just going digital has really expedited, made that process just so much more easier for us. So one of the biggest fears I had about originally getting into 3D printing was I was afraid it would be an expensive paperweight. I was really afraid that it was something I would buy and it'd be so difficult to really implement into our existing workflow. It was nice to find a partner like SprintRay who is able to kind of guide you through how to do 3D printing. And it was nice that they connected me to all their partners to also help kind of figure out how to really integrate that into our practice without doing it blindly. Using the SprintRay in our office has been so easy for our staff. I mean, training them was very simple. I mean, if you have staff that can operate an iPhone, they can definitely operate one of the printers from SprintRay. The user interface is very intuitive, and it's very simple for pretty much almost anyone in your office to use. The staff just clicks print, and take it out. They post process with with alcohol, and then they throw it in the procure. Printing in our office has been such a huge game changer. I mean, it is like night and day. We're able to do so much more now with 3D technology than we would have without it. So it's really hard to think about not having that kind of technology in our office. I mean, the printer has paid for itself. It's, how efficient things are. I mean, it's cut down a lot of costs for us. I mean, I would never go back to anything else. 3D printing is going to play a much bigger role. Just because the cost to get into printing is so much lower than before. There's a lot of support in it, and SprintRay, they're doing a lot of development. They are really great at listening to the customer. And so I think they're really going to help push 3D printing to become much more commonplace in the dental practice. And it's also going to allow us to do a lot more things than we were able to do before.